Using the text format features within Google Docs is a great way to build accessibility into your document. It will also provide an interactive outline so that your students or anyone viewing your document can click through the outline and choose the part of the document that they would like to jump to. You'll notice on the text bar here at the top of my screen, I have a style I can choose from. Right now it's normal, but it does give me the option for title, subtitle, heading, and so on. My font style, my font that I've chosen is Arial. It's at 11 point and it is left aligned. I need to add in an outline, which will appear on the left side of my screen for all of the information provided in my document. I've used pieces from a syllabus, so not everything matches up perfectly for this example. I need to make sure that the title of my course is provided as a heading so that it is the largest section in my syllabus. If I choose style and title, it will apply this font size, style, and particular font, which will be set in Arial. If I choose this one, it makes it really, really big, and I don't need that large of a font for my title. I'm going to undo that. I do, however, want my title to be centered on the screen and at a 14-point font. If I choose to do that and fix it the way that I want it, I can choose Style, hover over Title, and choose the option to update it to match. When I choose that option, it now will format anything that I select as a title into this exact same thing. Now that I have my title, it added each line that I had entered and separated. I don't need all of that information. I really just want the first line included in my outline. It does give me the option to remove it from the outline, so that's what I'm going to do for the things I don't need. All right, now I have my heading. I do need to break up information within my syllabus into multiple sections. I want to include that this is my course information overview. Here. I will select that information. I'm going to make it bold and underlined. And I actually want that to be a second heading, so I'm going to update that to match. As I move throughout my outline, I do have it separated into sections labeled A, B, C, and it's skipped down to I here. I want each of these to be a heading. When I select that and apply heading, again, it's going to make it huge. I don't need it to be that particular size. I've selected that. I'm going to actually make it into a 14-point font. Actually, we're gonna make it 13 and bold so that I know that's going to be my heading. Now for each of these that I choose, section B is a heading. Section C, of course, will be a heading. And skipping to section I is a heading. Remember that I also created a subheading here for this particular style. Notice under course evaluation, I have different sections. Under course evaluation, there is participation, quizzes, midterm and finals, and assignments. I need each of those to stand out so that if a student is looking for information about assignments or whether or not they will have a midterm or final, I want that included in my outline. I'll select each of these and make those into a heading 2, and it will put it directly underneath that particular section. So now my section is a little bit more organized and easier for students to find this information. And you have an outline that provides, again, interactive links. So if I need to find out my midterm and final exams, you can actually click that and it will take you where you need to go. Again, using the text editing feature tools for your styles within a Google Doc makes it more accessible for your students and provides that interactive outline.